sight, but not from sound. Sonar-type fish finders not only pinpoint the location of the fish, but also indicate their numbers and species. The net is lowered. Electronic sensors go along to report to instruments on the bridge how near the net is to the ocean bottom where the fish feed. It's almost like vacuuming the sea. To make sure there will be fish for tomorrow, quotas must be set and followed.
The coastline of Norway is very long, and in some area they have only fishing to live on. If we fish a stock too low, it will be disaster for the people who live along this coastline.